This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.